so weird. It's so weird. Wow.
We just woke up. We're in the hostel. We're just getting ready because today we're going to an elephant walk with a company called Joining Elephant Sanctuary. We're going to walk with them. We're going to bathe them. We're not going to ride them. If you're thinking about booking one of these tours and you found a company that you like but the trek involves riding elephants, then don't do it. Please don't do it, because a lot of the companies in Thailand are not ethical. They treat their animals cruelly. Elephants don't want to be ridden. Anything that seems unnatural, just don't do it. For example, Tiger Temple. You see people go in there and start picking up the tigers. The tigers don't want that. They're drugged up. They've been beaten by their owners. They're made to fear humans. It's not nice, and if you're giving money to that sort of business, then you should be ashamed of yourself. But we're excited, we can't wait. We also walk into the mountains and go and see a waterfall as well, apparently, so that should be amazing. We're a bit burnt yesterday at the Grand Canyon. We should have worn more sun cream. I think it washed off in the water and we didn't bring any to replace it with, so now we are a bit burnt, so we're gonna make sure our shoulders are covered all day. We're gonna film as much as we can. Let's go. Just having a market stop, just as a refresher. Found a really cool way to waft your flies away here at this market. Have a look. Genius.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even.
What do you think so far?
They're so calm, aren't they? Take off your shoes.
Yes.
Shoes, okay.
Baby, you can count on me now.
This way.
When you're falling down, 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 I will find the light in your soul, I'll be there.
Exhausted from this trek. We've only been going 5 minutes.
Outer focus, I will be the light in your life, you'll see clear. I'll be your
Guide's giving us a torch. Looks like we're going into a dark cave.
We walk through, yeah.
She walked here 10 minutes.
It's not too tight though, no?
No.
Okay, good.
Careful, yeah. Please, yeah.
Slowly.
Alright.
Yeah, yeah. Looking at bats. Right, we just got off the truck that took us to the waterfall, so we're here. So far, everything on this trip has been 10 out of 10. It's been amazing. The tour guide is mint. The trek was mint. We've just been in a cave. Oh, it's just amazing, isn't it? Yeah. How mint is it? This is the best one by far today.
But look what it did to my pants.
Oh yeah, Shiv's boot is popping out because she ripped it. She fell about 100 times. And now we're going to these, what are they called?
The Mai Wang waterfall.
The Mai Wang waterfall.
Mai Wang.
Mai Wang, we're going to follow the guide. Is that elephants? Oh. He's making me one now. Looking good, Shiv.
Thank you.
It'll fit my bigger.
I think you've seen how big your head is.
It's going for the extra large.
Got to find a big Tarzan vine for yours.
Yeah. Thank you.
I now pronounce you King of the Jungle.
Wow! Wow, I cannot wait to dive in that.
Not going anywhere. So Matt managed to swim against the tide, but I was way too small and I just got in and just got swept right down the river, and the guide was just chasing me down. It was ridiculous. And then he comes to pull me out, put me on a rock, and then I was stuck there. I was like, how do I get off this rock? So I tried climbing and I just got swept away again. So I think I'm just going to stay in the shallows this time. Matt thinks he's Michael Phelps.
So we've just finished playing in the waterfalls. It was really fun, wasn't it, Shiv? And now we've come for some lunch in like a treetop wooden little tiki place that looks down at the waterfall. I'll show you what I mean. What a place to eat, eh? Got our traditional elephant garbs on.
Karan, what it's called.
I think it's called a Karan, apparently.
No, it's called Karan.
Karan clothing. We've got a bag for food. We're gonna go play with the elephants.
It's so weird. It's so weird. Wow.
Wow.
Big one. Big ladder. Mat 2.
Oh, this one's called Mat 2.
Get your food out.
So that's basically it. That's the end of the day at Joining Elephant Sanctuary. Overall, I'd probably give it an 8 out of 10. It would get a 10 out of 10 for the jungle trek and the waterfall swimming, because that was amazing. But the elephant part got a bit boring after a couple of minutes. Once you've seen one elephant, you've seen them all, and it's sort of, I don't know, they're not, it's a charity and it rehabilitates elephants that have been abused by the previous owners. So therefore, the elephants aren't really acting naturally. They're sort of, it seems still like it's set up for tourists. Apparently it is ethical though, but do your own research if you want to go there, because these things can change. But check it out, Joining Elephant Sanctuary. And this time tomorrow we'll be in Kuala Lumpur. I'm not going to vlog the travelling part because I'm too tired to do that, but if you like this video then make sure you subscribe, like, leave a comment, check back tomorrow, and we'll be in Kuala Lumpur. See you then.